I think Accurate's greatest strength is that we solve problems. We spend 100% of our time trying to find solutions and none of our time trying to find excuses.
We strive to have every customer satisfied every time, no exceptions.
The success of the company is definitely linked to the fact that it's a family business and we think about it that way. It's in our DNA.
The family is totally committed. All the kids have worked here. They started at the bottom, as I did.
Whether there are 5 people working in the company or 25 or 110, it's always that sense of family. I think when customers think of Accurate, there's a few words that come to mind. Integrity, quality, I think it's durability, and probably more than anything else, service. At Accurate, I think our people are our most valuable asset. They put their heart and soul into every product that goes out the door.
They're here not just to get a paycheck, but to get a job done. It's amazing how dedicated they are.
Every day here, we blend old world craftsmanship with modern technology. We're constantly monitoring the latest trends in the industry, and we're constantly looking for the latest and greatest equipment. Our goal is to be on the cutting edge all the time.
A lot of miles on just walking through here, and every once in a while I'll look and say, wow, yeah, we started there and this is where we are today.
On the surface, Accurate Lock and Hardware is a manufacturing company that manufactures locks and custom architectural hardware. In reality, what we do is solve people's problems by making whatever they need to solve that problem. If you can dream it, we can make it.